Hello everyone. Let's back to our streak of doing 450 DSA cracker series. We have done in last video. Move all the negative elements to the one side of the array. Do check it out. I have given the solution. Today we will do our sixth day streak, and it is the fifth question of finding the union and intersection of the two sorted arrays. Okay, let's click it and head on to the link and the question. Okay, so in the given question it is given that given two arrays A and B. The task is to find the number of elements in the union between two arrays, and the union of two arrays can be defined as set containing distinct elements for both arrays. If there are repetition, then only one element occurrence should be there in the union. So for example, if there are two arrays, like if array A is this and array B is this, in the problem statement telling it is telling us that it is mentioning us if the set has repetition, means if a array and B array have same elements, we do not have to repeat it, but we have to give an output of union of this without any repetition. So means our output look like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, in this way. So I hope you understand the problem statement, and now we have to write a code such that we can get a union of two arrays without any repetition. So let's code here. Let's start timer and let's start our coding this problem statement and getting the suitable output. As it is given that class is defined, and the function is also defined, find union self comma a comma b with three parameters. Okay, so now we have to define union underscore set is equal to so it is showing runtime error. So we have to find out what is the problem in the code. Let us quickly verify this. Find union self, union set is defined, then find element in a union set dot add in elements. Okay, find elements in B. Okay, I have made a mistake, I think, in line 28, homepage module, line 28. It is not okay. Here is the problem. Let's compile it again. Okay, we are getting the solution. So here basically in this code, let's let me explain you first what is this. Define find union self a comma b. Here this defines a function named find union which takes two lists a and b as input, the arrays, and then union underscore set equal to set. A set in Python is a data structure that stores only unique elements. Duplicates are automatically removed. We are using it to store the union of two arrays. Then we are creating a loop through each element. Here in this for elements ELEMLM in A, for elements in A, union underscore set dot add in brackets elm add it to the set using add. If elements is already there, it won't be added again. This ensures the uniqueness. Dot add ensures the uniqueness. Then again we are forming the loop for set B. Do the same for the array B. Even if A and B have overlapping element, the set will only keep one copy. And finally we are returning the len union set gives the union of unique numbers, each with size of union. Now after compiling it, we have already seen that it is giving the output of example number 1, that is if a array has 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and array b have 1 comma 2 comma 3, it is giving output 5. That is the length of the array. Okay, finally we have to find the length of the array. If you find the union of the array, then you have to do this, and in this way you can find the union of the error. But here at the end it is asked to find the length of the array, so we have to find the length. As you have seen, it is written here to find length, so we have to find the length of the array. Now we are checking for the next input. Let's see, for 85 25 85 25 1 32 54 6 in array A, and 85 and 2. Okay, so it has common elements 85, so there are total 6 elements in the final array, you know that. And let's compile and run it. Total 7 elements in the final array, 8 85 comma 2 and 6 elements in the up A, and but there is one common element, so it means total 7 elements will be there. Let's see what output is giving here, and we get total 7 elements as the expected output. Hence we are able to solve 2 test cases using my code, and let's submit it and check whether it completes all test cases or not. Yes, it passes all test cases, all 1111 test cases. Okay, and we have gained 2 points. We have done this code in 6 minutes 31 seconds. I hope you understood this case, and you can see the solution in the submission section here. Thank you.